Alright, we're back. Time to put it together for real. Hopefully. Ooh, it's a little tight. Let the lock tab go. Yeah, that guy. Mr. Custom. Got to put the right side up. The high spot in the middle. That works a lot better. There's how much thread's hanging out. So you compress it. Go a little deeper. Boom. Don't forget the chain. Some room. Okay. Like that. Pressure on as you start it. Try to get to catch the first thread. Once it catches it, you should be good to go. Yep. Except one problem. It's on upside down. Oops. I just need to pay attention. on the chain, not over the chain. Yeah. Chains are dirty. Okay, good and tight. It should be below the surface. Done. And this piece will fit under no problem. It goes on the inside of the chain, not the outside. Go. Put the lock tab up on it. Tighten up a little bit further. Channel locks work the best for doing that. So you just put a channel lock on the bolt head there and the lock, and you just rotate around and pull on it, tighten it up, and it pulls it right over like that. Nice and easy. Okay, so that's ready to go. One step closer. I'm going to put this filthy thing back in the box here. Get out of our way. Like that. Give my lock tab back. We do need the nut back. It goes onto the plate. It goes behind the plate like this. If you don't do that, you got a problem. Okay. We got 2 screws here. And mess a little bit. The new ones are Torx heads, the old ones were Phillips head, and the real early ones are straight slot. So pretty good, they make all kinds of them. It appears this one, the bolts were too long, see what it does to the splines? It screws them up a little bit. So we have the option to do it 2 different ways. Appears to fit okay, so we're going to leave it the correct way. Okay, I'm going to put these in the primary. Appears to be that size right there. So we already got some super snot on the thread, so it should just go right in. Don't forget your nut. Oh, great. Wonderful. Late primers, you can't use a good nut. Gotta use a stove bolt. I don't have that. Have to steal it. That sucks. I don't have that, I bet. Nope. It's in the inner primary. See, I don't have that piece. Alright. Another problem. Okay, so what are we going to do to fix this problem? I don't think there is a way of fixing this problem. I don't have the stove bolt. Alright. Damn it. This job is a pain in the ass. Yeah, you'd have to cut the piss out of that to make that fit. Ooh, yeah. Cross section would definitely be getting thin. Wonderful. That sucks. Alright, let me see what I can do.